today's video, this method can be done by anyone from anywhere on earth, and it's also one of the simplest methods to make money online because it doesn't require affiliate marketing or a large social media following. Furthermore, there's no need for prior experience. All you really need to do today is copy and paste some text. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'll tell you how to make a lot more money. Also, please don't skip any segments to avoid any misunderstandings when replicating this method. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, we will start right now by showing you how to use Google to make money over and over, and all of this will be completed in under 30 minutes. I'll also show you how to select other payment choices if PayPal isn't available in your country or if you don't want to use PayPal. Anyway, let's begin with the first step, which is to visit google.com. For the second step, just enter news.google.com. This is a website where you can obtain the most recent news and articles from across the world on a variety of topics. You can get news on politics, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and anything else you can think of. It's just like a newspaper. So how will this function now? How will you get your free PayPal money? Well, stay tuned and you'll see how it all works out. So on the left-hand side of the platform, you have all of the categories for world news, which is about what's happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which we'll disregard because you simply want to concentrate on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and most significant, health. As you can see, if I select the health category, it'll provide me with all of the most recent news and articles relating to health. So let's scroll through this page and see what we can find. So this article that was just recently uploaded has caught my attention, and it's a really fantastic piece that a lot of people would click on. So all you have to do now is open one article, and don't worry, you won't have to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. Now all you have to do is open that article and start copying the text. For example, I'll copy this and move on to the third step. Spinbot.com is the third website that we'll be using, so you'll need to paste the article you saw on Google News here, and it will be rewritten for you so that the entire item is written in your own words, making it absolutely unique. You'll use those pieces on 3 other websites, which I'll tell you about. Those websites will compensate you for those content, and there's a website that I'll be showing to you which you can obtain $1 per word, and those articles can have thousands of words. The first website we'll be using is eatingwell.com. You can either submit your own articles to eatingwell.com or write articles for this website and be paid for it. Instead of spending days writing those pieces, you may now use Google News, which was created specifically with the aim of creating unique and high-quality articles on which you can earn up to $1. So here's the first of the 3 web pages I've prepared for you. You can get paid $1 per word on this website, which means that if you get a 1,000-word article, you might make $1,000 only from that piece. Then copying and pasting takes less than 30 minutes. Okay, now how do you submit your content so that you can be paid for it? Well, simply scroll down until you come across a section with their contact information, then copy their email address and put it into your own email, along with the subject line submission, article submission, or something similar. They will evaluate your email, and if they like it, they'll ask for your payment details when you send it. If you want to be paid using PayPal, you must provide your PayPal account number as well as your email address. Simply input your bank information if you want to be paid via bank transfer. It's the same for other platforms in terms of payment options. Google News publishes fresh items every couple of hours. Your selections are limitless. Now, before submitting these articles to these websites, you can rewrite them with the SpinBot, copy and paste them into a Word document, or save them to your computer. So once again, eatingwell.com is the primary place to submit your articles. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money online," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, articles can also be submitted to sierraclub.org. For additional information, go to their website, simply follow these steps here and forward your articles to their email address. So, copy and paste this into your email, fill in your contact info, and submission as the subject line and send your article. You will not only be able to submit health and fitness articles as you did with Eating Well, but you'll be choosing anything relevant to technology or science and submit it to sierraclub.org. So go to the science section and copy one article. Now, the third and last website where you can submit your articles is daily.jstor.org. Visit their submission rules to learn more about how it works. This website will pay you a little less, but it's still an excellent one to use because it allows you to make some additional cash while also maximizing your results. The greatest part about this website is that they only want up to 2,000 words from you and pay you 31 cents per word. As a result, it doesn't rank as highly as the prior websites, but even at 31 cents, it's still an excellent deal. It's not horrible to pay an average of 31 cents per word because it adds up rapidly. You'll be able to earn more money if you submit more articles to these websites, but of course, not every piece will be accepted. Although, even if you get one a day, that's still hundreds if not thousands of dollars a day just by copying and pasting, since everything was entirely free and there was no need to wait. So, to summarize, go to google.com, Google News, and choose a category from the left-hand side. Open an article and copy the text, and use SpinBot to make it unique before submitting it. You can keep repeating this method indefinitely and make a lot of money. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.